See, Sri Gurupya Namaha children, 10th standard state board, chapter 3, algebra, exercise 3.11. Solve the following quadratic equation by completing the square method. 3.10 we studied by factorization method. Now we are going to see the completing square method. See here, 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. See, by completing the square method. Completing the square method, you will see through it, there is no coefficient in x square. See here, 9x square minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0 divided by 9, because what is the coefficient of x square? 9. Okay. So, x square minus 12 by 9x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. Here also 9 by 9 it will get cancelled. You will see through it, there is no coefficient in x square by completing the square method. So, x square minus, when we cancel, what is the answer? 4 by 3. 4 by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 4 by 3x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. We can do it in a rougher column. What is the coefficient of x? You can take the number alone, don't take the sign. You can take the number alone. What is the coefficient of x? 4 by 3. What is the coefficient of x? 4 by 3. Whatever coefficient is there, coefficient of x by 2 the whole square. You keep in your mind, what is the formula? Coefficient of x by 2 the whole square. By 2 the whole square, it gives 4 by 6 the whole square. By 1 it will reciprocal. It will reciprocal 4 by 6. What is the answer? 2 by 3. 2 by 3, when we square, what is the answer we are getting? 4 by 9. Once again I will repeat, you can take the coefficient of x, number alone you will take, because when it square it become plus. 4 by 3 by 2 the whole square, 2 by 1, when it reciprocal it becomes what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2, see here, 4 by 3 into 1 by 2. Okay, so it gives 4 by 6. When we cancel, what is the value you are getting for 2 table? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 the whole square is 4 by 9. See here, x square minus 4 by 3x, x square minus 4 by 3x, whatever answer you are getting, you will write plus or minus. Whatever thing you will get, you will write plus or minus. Plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9, already 1 plus 4 by 9 is there, you will write plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. See here, x square minus 4 by 3x, x square minus 4 by 3x, whatever answer you are getting, you will write what? Plus or minus. Plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 plus in the sum itself it's there, what is that value? 4 by 9 equal to 0. Plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 will get cancelled. What is the remaining thing left out? X square minus 4 by 3x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. See here, x square minus 4 by 3x plus 4 by 9 equal to 0. You will write x. If it is minus means you will write minus. Whatever answer you get it here. What is the answer you get it here? 2 by 3. Inside the bracket, what is the answer you get it? 2 by 3. So you will write 2 by 3 the whole square. 2 by 3 the whole square, or you can take it the last term 4 by 9. What is the square root of 4 by 9? 2 by 3. If it is minus, you can put minus. If it is plus, you can put plus. So, x minus 2 by 3 the whole square. Now, I split up the term x minus 2 by 3 into x minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. What is the value of x value? X minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. X minus 2 by 3 equal to 0. X equal to 2 by 3, x equal to 2 by 3, x equal to 2 by 3. Solution set. Solution set is x value. Solution set is x value is 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3. 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3. See the second subdivision. 5x plus 7 by x minus 1 equal to 3x plus 2. So, you can cross multiplication. 5x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x minus 1. See here, 5x plus 7 equal to, you multiply 3x square minus 3x, 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2. You can bring it everything to one side. 3x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 2, you can bring it to this side. What is the value you are getting? Minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. Minus 5x minus 7 equal to 0. So, 3x square minus 3x plus 2x is minus x. Minus x minus 5x is what? Minus 6x. Minus 6x minus 2 minus 7 is what? Minus 9 equal to 0. Is it clear? 3x square minus x minus 5x is minus 6x, minus 2 minus 7 is minus 9 equal to 0. So, 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. Divide 3. I told you the previous sum itself. You can see the coefficient of x square. So, divided by 3. What is the answer you are getting? X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. You can bring the constant to next side. If you want, you can keep it this side and do the sum what we have done in the previous sum. Or otherwise, you bring the constant to the next side. What is the value you are getting? X square minus 2x equal to 3. Okay. Next, what is the next step by completing the square? You can see the constant, you can see the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 2. You don't take the sign, because if it is square means it's already become plus. You take the constant term, you take the coefficient of x alone. See the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x is 2 by 2 the whole square. By 2 the whole square. When we cancel, what is the answer you are getting? 1. 1 square value is equal to 1. I told you, add and subtract. If you keep the constant in the same side, you will write add and subtract, or you will write add on both the sides 1. See here, x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 3 plus 1. If you want to keep the constant, what we have done in the previous sum, the constant, let it be in the same side, means you will write add and subtract. If you want the constant equal to the next side, you will write add on both the sides. So, plus 1 plus 1. So, x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 4. X square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 4. See, I told you x minus, you can see the last term 1. What is the square root of 1? 1 the whole square. If it is minus means you put minus What is the square root of last term? 1. 1 the whole square equal to 4. Taking square root on both the sides. What is the answer you are getting? X minus 1 equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is what? 2. Square root of 4 is 2. X minus 1 is taking square root on both the sides. Square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. What is the value you are getting? X minus 1 equal to plus or minus 2. Now you can equate. You can equate x minus 1 equal to 2. X minus 1 equal to 2. X minus 1 equal to minus 2. X minus 1 equal to minus 2. X equal to 2 plus 1. X equal to 2 plus 1. You bring minus 1 to the next side. 2 plus 1. X equal to minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1, x equal to 3, x equal to minus 1. What is the solution set here? Solution set x equal to 3 comma minus 1. Solution set x equal to 3 comma minus 1. See the second sum. Solve the following quadratic equation by formula method. Previously we have seen by completing the square root method. This we have going to see about the formula method. What is the formula method? See quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula? X means x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. See, take the equation. Okay. If it is x square coefficient is there also, no, you have no problem. You can take the value for a. See, this is the value of a equal to 2. A equal to 2. B equal to minus 5. You take the sign. Along with the sign you can take the number. B equal to minus 5, C equal to 2. See, A equal to 2, B equal to minus 5, C equal to 2. Substitute in the equation. X equal to minus B. Minus B, already one minus is there. Minus into minus 5. Plus or minus root of b square minus 5 the whole square minus 4 into, what is the value of a? 2. What is the value of c? 4ac. What is the value of c? 2 by 2a. 2 into, what is the value of a? A value is equal to 2. Is it clear? See, minus b, minus of b value is minus 5, plus or minus root of b square is minus 5 the whole square, minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is 2 by 2a. 2 into 2 is nothing but what? 4. So, x equal to 5. Minus into minus become 5. X equal to 5. Okay. Plus or minus 5. Plus or minus b square minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. B equal to minus 5. Okay. See here. B equal to minus 5. X equal to 5 plus or minus root of minus 5 the whole square is nothing but what? 25 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 by 4. 16 by 4. So, x equal to 5 plus or minus root of 9 by 4. X equal to 5 plus or minus 25 minus 16 is root 9 by 4. X equal to 5 plus or minus root 9. 9 is nothing but what? 3 by 4. See, you can take x equal to 5 plus 3 by 4. X equal to 5 plus 3 by 4. X equal to 5 minus 3 by 4. X equal to 5 minus 3 by 4. So, what is the value we are getting here? See, x equal to 8 by 4. X equal to 8 by 4. X equal to 5 minus 3. X equal to 2 by 4. X equal to 2 by 4. Cancel. What is the value? 2. When we cancel, what is the value here? 1 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. What is the solution set? What is the solution set here? Solution set x equal to 2. Solution set x equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. 2 comma 1 by 2.